Would you love to work faster, smarter, and create visuals this sharp? At Skills Fusion Hub, we show you how to unlock AI tools to save time, boost creativity, and get professional results without the endless retries. Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Today, we are testing the brand new Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield.ai. This one is built to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in and see how Nano Banana transforms workflows for creators, educators, and even professionals. Here are 6 reasons why Nano Banana is a productivity breakthrough. 1. 4K image quality. Images can now be generated at 1K, 2K, and 4K image quality. And also, you can now upscale your image instantly. 2. Text that finally reads correctly. That means there is no more fixing of broken fonts or blurry labels. 3. Visual reasoning. It understands equation, count, and diagram logically. 4. Stronger faces and identity control. You now have consistent characters across angles and outfit. 5. Data-aware images. Infographics and dashboards now actually make sense. 6. Best prompt following. That means that less time wasted on retrials and more time on creating. That is exactly the kind of upgrade that helps you work faster and cut down all those iteration cycles. So how do we use this tool? First on, you go up to your browser and log into the Higgsfield.ai website. I'll be leaving the website on the description below. Then you will see this interface with many functionalities. But today we are focusing on the image generation with the new Nano Banana model. Let's get started. So I already have a prompt in mind. I'm going to click on the image and then I'm going to paste it here. Make sure you choose your model to be Nano Banana Model Pro. And then you choose your image quality. I'm going to be leaving it here at 1K for the course of this video. And then you can choose to generate more than one image at a time. And then you can choose your base after that. After you've selected all your preferences, you click generate and wait for it to generate. So let's wait for it to generate this prompt. Can you see how the text is perfectly legible? That saves time fixing mockups. Look at it. I asked for a product packaging box for organic coffee with a bold headline and readable text. And that is what is here. I have another prompt. I'm going to paste it here. Did you notice how the math equation is correctly solved? So I gave it a prompt to solve this math equation step by step, and it did that. This is perfect for educators and explainer creators, and it was able to do this because it is using the Nano Banana model. The third prompt here can also show that it can be used for UI UX design. This is the prompts that I use. Let's wait for it. Can you see how this is clean with clear UI labels and consistent layouts? This is a huge one for product managers and UI UX team. I also made a prompt to show character consistency. I gave it this prompt. I'll paste it in there and let's wait for the results. Can you see the results? It's amazing. The consistency in the face, even with the outfit and background change. In the prompts, I asked it to generate an image of the same female in a modern office, as you can see, a casual outfit in a park, and a futuristic outfit in a cityscape, neon lit cityscape picture. And you can see how consistent the face remains even with the changes that we made. The last one here I did was a fun one. So you can also upload a picture to be used as reference. So I uploaded this AI picture I generated before, and then I gave it this prompt to do a makeup tutorial step by step with the text telling what is done in each step. Let's wait for it to generate and let's see the result. Wow, this is nice and clear text explaining each step. And also notice that the background or the face wasn't changed. It retained the consistency. So this is what maybe lifestyles creator could use in creating their content. This Nano Banana Pro model in Higgsfield is a game changer for digital artists, marketers, brand designers, educators, UX team, and even content creators. Basically, if you want to work faster with AI and spend less time fixing outputs, this tool is for you. And here's the catch. Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices in the market compared to the other platform. And if you subscribe by the end of November, before 2nd of December, you get Ultimate Nano Banana Pro generation for 1 year. This means that you can experiment, iterate, and deliver faster without worrying about limits. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Skills Fusion Hub for more AI productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what prompt you test first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.